everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Road Track. Today we have with us one such team who works so hard to make sure that the word road track is just everywhere in and around Mumbai and out of Mumbai as well. That is our DRS team, Team Public Relations and Marketing. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello.
Yes. So, hello everyone. This is Road Tractor Akshay Bandivdekar.
Hi everyone, I'm Road Tractor Chinal.
Hey everyone, this is Road Tractor Manav.
Hi everyone, this is Road Tractor Muskan.
Hello, this is Road Tractor Pranisha Patel.
Hi, this is Road Tractor Shamail Sheikh.
Hi. So, first of all, I want to ask you all, how's it been being in the team promo? Like, it is really important for every club, every district, and it keeps on growing every year. This year, team promo, we have seen it growing so large into numbers as well. You all are like a team of 7-8 people, and you brought in 40 associations this year. How was it working together? And what was it with team PR and marketing this year?
So, firstly, speaking about associations, I came in the middle of the year out of nowhere when somebody from this team had some emergency or something and he had to get out of it. And when I came into the picture, I got an opportunity to serve RID 3141 as joint promo director. And मुझे task दिया गया था कि तुमको associations लाने हैं, तुम जितने आ सकते हो उतने लाने हैं, then only you will be considered as joint promo director. And मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि I will be considered. मुझे सिर्फ बोला था कि तुम्हें करना है, and मुझे पता ही नहीं था अच्छा करने के बाद तो select होंगी नहीं होंगी, are there any competitors या सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ. But yeah, things went well and I bought some associations. Bhumigra LED lights was one of it. Craftaholic is one of it. They provided hampers, they provided LED lights, they provided Craftaholic provided some cool handmade craft stuffs. And that is how one day achanak se I was told that okay, congratulations, because you bought these associations and you worked like really well. I was a part of this team. So it's been an amazing start. शुरुआत से ही मुझे ऐसे भगाया गया है, but then I think that is because क्योंकि तुम्हें पूरे साल वो करना पड़ता है. So that is a trailer of what this year goes on, how this year goes on.
That's the side of a true promo director, Shamail. Well done.
Yeah, Pranisha, can you give us a gist like what was it getting so many associations and how team promo worked?
So my story is kind of similar to hers. I was also given the task to get in associations and make hampers. So I got Passionary, which was actually relevant at that time. It provided masks. So it made customized masks for Rotat, which is really cool. Then I had Bath Crafts and more, which made really great soaps with a heart and all of those rows and shapes. Soaps. Then I got Blue Pen, which did students assignments. I know it's a bit weird, but yeah. And the fourth one was I don't remember it, but yeah, it was a great journey pitching ideas, and even I was not aware that will I get that position or not, but the journey was amazing.
And also the blue pen idea is not weird at all because students really need blue pen like to complete their assignments. I feel it was a great idea to get that as well.
Moving on to the next question. Obviously, reality कुछ expectations कुछ और था and अपना reality कुछ और रहा है. So could you all please take us to the journey ki, how the expectations were and how the reality turned out to be this entire year?
So when we actually was announced as a team, we didn't know, like our first meeting was on ground at Suchi's place, and we were planning so many things on ground. Actually, we had a list of things like which we had planned, okay, for offline, and then suddenly COVID strike, and then we were like, oh, now it's like going to be pura online only. So we had to first accept this fact and then think in that manner and get those changes over, the period of time. And then randomly ideas used to strike,
and then like it's like anthology का जैसे idea आया starting of the year में, like Struchi had given us targets कि अभी पैसे लाने हैं करके, तो फिर तभी हम लोग ने सोचा कि क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. So we thought कि anthology can be a good one because registration charges मिल जाता है, people give because we are doing it for a good cause. तो वैसे we thought कि we can raise some sponsorship via that, and like थोड़े आधे almost targets हम लोग ने तो ऐसे ही complete किए, लोगों को पूछ के and acknowledgement नाम डाल के, and like later on I think the team slowly adapted to this online wala part. Though it was like we all were working for the first time, but we all got so used to the working style and each other so much that ऐसे लगा नहीं कि it's for the first time that we are working together. It was kind of a family that we formed very fast and very soon. I think Manav can add more well to this.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
Manav.
mean, more or less,
Manav.
everything is in the same line only. I mean, first we were expecting things to happen on ground, and suddenly things turned into online. But one good thing about the entire team was nobody felt a setback. कि यार online है तो अभी पैसे कैसे आएगा? As Akshaya rightly said at the start, Snuchi had told पैसे लाने ही है, मतलब full वसूली mode तो हमारा on ही था from beginning only. So we were there all out having this, but I mean, apart from raising funds, we have had some quality associations as well. I think with WWF as well, Worldwide Fund, as all of you know, we've had this association as well, and things turned out automatically. We started accepting the fact, and we started moving ahead with the online module, with the online events and associations as well. And I think about WWF, Chinal, you can add more because we've had n number of meetings with WWF, n number of planning, and n number of projects as well. Of course, we've executed with them as well. So yeah.
Yeah, I think it was a lovely experience. That was the first association of our year, and Manav and I had led the association, so it was pretty special for us. We started with Earth Art 2020, and it is so happy to see that again the association has come back to us, and we did an Earth Art 2021. So it was that phase last year where everything was shut, you did not know what else to do, but even by staying at home, you could do so much. For the society, for the earth, and we got so much of participation from not just the district but all the road track clubs individually. So it was a lovely start to the Fab team and the fabulous year. And with that, it has always been a roller coaster, right? So we started off with WWF, and then we ended up with the association we had with Brand Factory. That was our first official on team, led by Team Promo, where we actually had a lot of special guests, I guess, road track icons who had come.
I just want to say, Pranisha, can you add more about MOB and what the concept was regarding that?
Yeah, so Mador Business is a project initiated by Muskan and Shamail too. So wherein we give shout outs to all the small business, like the main name is Vocal for Local, Local for Local. So we had this association Laugh Humid, which sells perfumes and fragrances, and also we had Beyond Prints, which makes those Spotify keychains and all. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So I would like to add on few points to it. So it is basically there are many startup business or business who need some recognition or PR or a push to go ahead. So Rotract is a platform when businesses can come up and they can come to us, and we provide them PR activities and opportunities for them to get a good visibility, since that Rotract has a huge amount of crowd, and the brands get really good recognition. So it is all about that. You bring up the brands, you bring up the products, whatever it is, you just tell us what your brand and products are about, and we are here to serve you, and we are here to help you to gain as many as audience you want, and you can convert it into your sales.
So it's like
That's quite
work
amazing.
together. It's like work together and grow together concept.
Yeah,
Yes.
Moreover, like the local businesses.
It's also about, as small and small businesses or medium or startup businesses cannot spend much on their promotional activities due to funds constraint that they have. So that's what that was one of our motto, to give them promotional activities, to provide them with some promotional activities at a minimal charge.
A great
Great,
initiative.
great concept. Yeah, great concept. As Jinil mentioned about Rotaract icons, this was the first year, I guess, where like such an concept was brought in, where we had many Rotaract icons joining in and influencing people and creating an impact. So, how was it talking to them, and what impact did it create? Can you please tell about that?
Okay, so talking to them, so it's a very subjective question because it depends on person to person. Some are rude. They used to hang up my call from where did you get my number? And they just used to bash me out of for no reason. Some but some were like very kind and sweet, and though these are the people we have now in our batch of Rotaract icons like Krisen, Charlie, and Mishti and Ankit Savach and a lot more. So yeah, so talking to them, like talking to our current Rotaract icons is actually sometimes fun, and yeah, it's good. But initially, while finding out the Rotaract icons and shortlisting them, so it was a pain because and I used to just be like sometimes directly call, sometimes message, some like I was going crazy and doing it whatever I can, whosoever number I used to get, and I am someone who doesn't follow any celebrity on Instagram, and I wasn't even aware of recent, you know, youth celebrities or someone who is famous in youth, like कौन है क्या है. So I just used to surf Instagram, blue tick है, ठीक है email address है कुछ है profile में, I used to send it to someone so that I can try on it. And then I used to Google about them, like who are they.
Muskan's approach has been हुक्का क्रुक हमको तो लोग चाहिए. आप कॉल उठाओ, email का जवाब दो, आप कुछ करो, हम तो
I'm
लोग
like
चाहिए.
verified account है 50K 100K followers है 200K किसी के millions भी, तो try तो करना ही था. So I just used to surf, and it was so my AI also got, like, algorithm also got mixed, and I am still shown celebrities reels and pictures and videos, but I don't I don't want to watch it. I am not my algorithm got so messed up. I am someone who it could doesn't follow any celebrity on Instagram, and I'm popped up with influence and everything. Like I respect their work. I respect their work, but it's not my area of interest. So yeah.
So promo made you do it. Promo helped you, not helped you,
Yeah.
but
It started. Yeah.
Promo made us slide into the DMs also. मतलब हम I used to randomly drop anyone mail message initially before calling
So,
sometimes, just for fluke, by
it's so
fluke reply
funny.
आ गया.
I have a very funny story. So in my office, I have a colleague named Jennifer, and for Rotaract icons, we had to contact a lot of people to get celebrity contacts. So whenever I search, Jennifer Winget was one person we were really hoping, and we were pitching for her to come. So whenever the first time I typed the word Jennifer, her contact number comes, I'm like, oh god, I hope I'm not calling the wrong Jennifer, because I'm honestly not.
how was the impact like, and what made the difference with their help?
So
If anybody
being
can add on that.
being in the promo, it obviously, and thinking with that mindset, it all obviously helped us building more public relations. It helped us to get more visibility, and it's somewhere spotted us, like Malhar is one of our icon, and I had just gone for one beach cleanup and all that. So with word of mouth also happens. So when we were there, so they also introduced Rotaract, like they also call themselves as Rotaract icon. So it is surely, and we are not that fortunate enough to keep to measure our metrics and tractions on how what we have got. But I'm sure the way we have observed, we have got a certain lot of things achieved through this. And the main motto of getting Rotaract icons was creating a greater reach for Rotaract and reaching out to more and more youth. So I think we are doing that.
We serve the purpose with Rotaract icons.
Yeah.
Yes, that is indeed visible through all these projects and everything. Because as and when I see, Malhar, and then there is Mekhla and all these people joining in for our cause, that is really amazing to see that they help us in spreading the word. So moving on to the next question. So this year, some amazing things also have happened. That is RAP, Rotaract Ambassadorial Program. And nextly, even in this pandemic, we conducted BRI. So could you all share your experience with regards to the city? How did these things happen? And कैसा लगा ये सब conduct करके?
Obviously I think rap has been one project, many projects happen जो कि साल में एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार होते हैं, it's either quarterly, but rap is one project that's a mega project of Team Promo, and it is a first led project which was very well introduced in the beginning of the year. I think it's not a project led by 2 or 3%, it's the whole team who have built up on it, क्योंकि जब शुरुआत की थी, we were not even sure how half the year would be, and to plan this project, to be a year-long project, we had a lot of thought process with, initially Yash was a part of our group. He helped with a lot of suggestions on what activities to be done. Vicky had his own, share of thoughts on how we would design the template, of the rap, so that people, when they look at the program, they would understand it better. Ki, kar kya sakte hai, and Akshay and Manav were all open to ideas. Ki, okay, chalo, lockdown hai, ye nahi ho sakta hai. What else can the club do, and how is it beneficial for us as a district and club as a whole? Will they get members or not? And with Pranesha and Shamail joining in the process, the interaction with everyone, like the people. Members who've been asking doubts constantly, the availability, and it's been a great journey with this particular project, because it's we're still in that phase that, okay, it's quarter 3, everyone is okay, are they excited enough to do more projects or not? But till date we've been receiving such great responses, and till date there's this excitement amongst people that who will be the winner of the quarter, because it's a quarterly based project, and together, whoever earns the maximum number of points is going to be the winner of the project. And the aim of this project at the most, was to go out, make Road a household name, get a lot of people to know what Road Track is, brand Road Track, everything in one. So it's like a mini Road Track, like it includes all avenues. It's just PR and marketing. It has something of club service, it has something of community service, it has something, which helps you develop professionally. So it's like a miniature version of all avenues into one. And it's been great, because we have an association. I think everyone must now be aware, because all the district members have gotten goodie bags. So very well, the association has got, thanks to Team Promo, again, we have some wonderful associations, and that's been of help to us. And the same hampers are being going to the winners of this particular program. And not to forget the VRAI week that we did. I guess Shamail will be able to throw more light on it, but a fabulously done and well executed, even amidst lockdown and COVID. So I think hats off to Vicky and Shamail for that. And over to Shamail so she can talk more about it.
Yeah. So before Shamail will start about it, I just want to tell everybody that what exactly VRAI is. VRAI full form is World Responsible Youth, and the full form for RAP was
Responsible Ambassador Program.
Responsible Ambassador Program. I'm so sorry. So these two projects have been is a whole year project. It happens a year-long initiative, but VRAI is one such project which is very close to Road Track District 3141, and it happens to be such a project where on-ground presence is very most important, likely to be. So I just wanted to say thank you to Team Promo. Like they did a great job in the lockdown, as I couldn't say lockdown, in the pandemic. They did a great job with VRAI. Yes, over to Shamail, obviously, to explain more details about it.
So firstly, this is a thing which very few people are aware about, that is rap was actually considered as the VRAI this year, because we weren't sure that we would go ahead with VRAI due to this lockdown and pandemic situation. So the team was actually dicey, and they thought of some alternative to do, and hence the rap grew, and isliye the rap is going throughout the year to cover up the VRAI. But luckily and fortunately, the team support is so strong, and it is so good that VRAI came up with. The VRAI was possible, the motivation, the support which everybody gave, the wishes. So initially, like before a week also, we were trying to figure out that what activities should we do it. We were trying to figure out with the railway station permissions, the street wall permissions. We were clueless at how would things go. 2 days prior we were just going through the railway stations. Please permission de do, painting karna hai. This is for the station's beneficiary. This is none of our concern. We are just here to serve the community, and we are just trying to, complete our legacy project with wholeheartedly. And Vicky was the one who was, rushing towards every station, and we worked it together, and we did like great job. We did so many of the beach cleanup. We almost covered like 5 to 7 locations, I believe. Muskan was one who like bought road track icon Malhar as she spoke for one of the beach cleanup drives, which gave us a real boost for that activity. Then street wall painting, where many clubs, they were also feeling excited क्योंकि pandemic में कुछ था नहीं activity करने के लिए. So this was also a chance for them to get out of the house and color the world. And we thought that since VRAI is conducted like before Holi, so we thought like let's just paint the world with colors, paint the wall with colors, and just celebrate the Holi this way. And yeah, that is how it went, and we successfully completed it. And the summary video will come on the social media channels soon. We are working on it, so you will get to know the things in a better way. You'll get to see the pictures. You will get to know who Malhar actually is. How does he work? He initiated this beach cleanup drive, and he supported all the drives throughout. And yeah, that is all about it. We are quite happy with what we did.
So just one thing to add, okay?
Adding on
Anisha, so a lot of people, were confused when we released the term Raptopus. Okay, they were like, "Hai, ye to rap kya hai? Raptopus kya hai?" So the whole concept came in because how an octopus has multiple tentacles, through which they do a lot of activities. So we thought ideally a person, an ideal person, a responsible person is someone who is able to, manage all these activities single-handedly. So that's one ideal person we look at. Ye bhi kar sakta hai, wo bhi kar sakta hai. So we wanted someone like Manav, to be precise. So that's how rap came into picture. See, he's always like telling them.
Yeah, adding to this thing, this year's Bride, I mean, like one of the best moments which I can say about Bride is that even though it happened in pandemic, that's a really amazing thing. At the same time, हम लोग को FM radio FM channel के through भी हमें shout out मिला था. That is also,
Correct.
I mean, like
That was, I'll
best
tell you the backstory. That was also very last moment. And if you remember, I gave you the JPEG at very last moment. कि please ये social medias पे डाल दो, because we need to reach people and tell the audience like as soon as possible कि please अपने radios on कर लो, क्योंकि ये चीज होने वाली है. In fact, like each and every activity we conducted. In fact, अचानक से हमने सोचा कि भाई masks भी sponsorship मिल रहा है, association मिल रहा है, चलो mask भी distribute कर देते हैं. So हमने mask distribution भी कर लिया primary clubs, and the clubs were also so enthusiastic that they also supported, they also participated. Yeah, many clubs were like dicey कि pandemic है, how will we do? But then the number of clubs and members which turned out at the end of the day, at the end of the event, we don't give credit to just team promo. I think it is because of all the rotractors who participated and helped us during this journey, because if they wouldn't have been in this journey, things wouldn't have been conducted. हम अकेले कितने stations paint कर लेते, हम अकेले कितने associations खुद के paints के लिए लेकर आते. उन्होंने उनकी तरफ से painting की, उन्होंने उनकी तरफ से paints लाए, and उन्होंने उनकी तरफ से risk लेके mask distribute किया जो भी underprivileged area में. They took their lives, and this defines that what Rotract is all about. This defines what team promo and promo initiatives are all about. And yeah, that is all about it.
Anisha, now if we be emotional, so please, it's okay.
Yeah, actually kudos to all the clubs. Like we had almost more than 30 clubs, and like the clubs agreeing to come even in this pandemic, so that just kudos to them.
So moving on with the next segment, as we come towards the end of the session, now we would like to play a game with y'all. The most famous game, Never Have I Ever. So we have told you to make a placard saying I have and never. So we'll ask you situations regarding that, and accordingly you have to tell if you have done it or not done it. So we'll begin with it.
Okay, I'll start with the first question now. Never have I ever have given reasons to my vertical head for not attending a meeting or not doing the tasks that have been assigned to do.
I have, everybody has.
बेशरम जैसा सबने ऐसा I have ऐसा दिखाया है.
Sruchi will love you.
Yes.
Akshaya is like, I am very honest to my work guys. I don't lie. I just directly say no.
Hips can lie, Akshay.
Yes. For the next question, never have I ever lied to an association about the reach of a district. Manav, what's the-
What question is this? Guys, this is going on YouTube. We should turn this to never.
Yes.
Yeah, Shri Gauri.
Next question. Never have I ever texted a celebrity in the name of Rotrack just to, talk to them or, try flirting with them.
I had
Never, but a
erroneously-
good idea
I
though.
had
Good idea.
erroneously called, so if that call counts, then I have. If not, then I have never.
Yeah, call counts.
Shouldn't we all try it now?
That's a
think
great
yes.
prank idea. That's
Like
a
we
great
gave
prank idea.
Contacts चाहिए तो message करो.
Guys, the concept of Rotrack Icons is not for 1 year. It's for coming year as well. तो
Yes,
plan
yes.
करना है तो अभी से phone कर
Yes,
दो.
yes.
वो तुम्हारा प्रैंक का प्रैंक भी हो जाएगा, बस
आइडिया
अपना वो
आइडिया मिल गया ना अभी कैसे करने का करके. We got the idea. कर सकते हैं. For the next year. Yeah, so moving on with the next one. This one is good. This one I believe तुम लोग सब लोग I will करोगे. So never have I ever received last minute demands from people to give them gifts or hampers for their deals or anything.
ये तो बस टीम प्रोमो का काम है. इवेंट के एक दिन पहले प्लीज अरेंज फॉर दिस गिफ्ट. ये अगर मैसेज नहीं आया तो इवेंट अधूरा है.
और
We were all agreeing on this.
मैसेजेस भी नहीं, सीधे फोन कॉल आते हैं कि ये इवेंट है, इतने गिफ्ट इतने हैम्पर्स चाहिए. स्टेशनरी का शॉप हो गया.
पूछने का भी नहीं ना, लाइक मतलब ऐसा कि है अवेलेबल है नहीं, डायरेक्ट
नहीं चाहिए.
वो क्या होता है ना, वो ऐसे
चाहिए.
वो भ्रम हो जाता है कि हमने दुकान खोल के रखी है, हमने बस शटर खोलेंगे निकाल के दे देंगे.
वो that's why I added this question. I knew ऐसा कुछ रहेगा ही, क्योंकि वो हर साल के टीम प्रोमो को फेस करना पड़ता है. These demands are going to be always the part of team promo. Yeah, Shri Gauri.
So last question. So never have I ever wished this year should have been offline rather than online.
Can you repeat?
Like you want an offline year.
Yes. Have been more fun, I guess, working with this guys offline.
Yeah, and moreover, we wanted Alex's of Rotrack to be offline. Yeah, that is why.
It's a round table dating, round table conference.
Even we had planned for the same thing, something like this, we should conduct it offline. But unfortunately, due to this pandemic, this had to happen online. So yeah.
So with this, we come to the end of the session. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you, Team Promo, for joining in, and thank you for working so hard this year and getting so many associations and doing so many projects and creating a bigger brand for Rotrack District 3141. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.